guys, it's Jake, and today we're going to be doing our 9th Visual Basic Programming tutorial, and today it's going to be on loops. And what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that when we click this button, an input box shows up, and until this input box says Jake, so as you can see, our title up here is password and input your name. So until it says Jake, we are not going to let them get into the form again. So typically you would do this on form load so that you couldn't get to the form at all, which we could actually do that. But what we're going to do is I already have our code set up for the input box. Sorry about that. I had to put in my toolbox. And I already have this input box set up. Basically, it's the same thing from last tutorial. It's just saying string name as string, and then the name equals an input box, input your name and password. So we're going to copy this. I'm going to actually delete this out of this code. So I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to double click our form, and in our form load, I'm going to put that. So when we run the program, even before you see the form, this pops up. So basically what we're going to do is make it so that you can only type in Jake, which is obviously my name, to get into the form. So how we want to write that is a do until statement. So do until, which it's as simple as that, and then you want to do string name equals Jake, and then hit enter, and it'll put that last loop for you down there, just as if you were doing an if string name equals Jake. Just as if it puts the end if after an if, it'll put your loop after your do. So same thing. Let's just get rid of that. And in the middle here, you basically, all you need to do is just copy this statement. And here's what it's saying. Until this string equals these exact letters, you need to keep inputting. So let's just run this real quick and I'll show you guys. So let's type in Tyler, not letting us in, Kevin, not letting us in, Kelsey, not letting us in. But if we type Jake, it'll recognize it, and we're now in our form. So there you go. That's really all there is to it. You can do a do while statement. So for this one, we're going to do while string name equals, or does not equal, so this string dot empty. Alright, so we're going to go start and just type in whatever you want, whatever you want, whatever you want, whatever you want. But until they hit enter with a blank text or cancel, so enter, it'll let them in after that. So basically all this is saying is that while this actually equals some text, which does not equal, and string.empty means that it's a null. You can also write it as this, just like you would if you're clearing a label. So let's just put that back in there. So string.empty basically means there's nothing in the string. So until they press cancel or they hit enter without words, you cannot get into the form. Just like that. Alright, so that's going to be it for the loops today, guys. That's a do while and a do until. We'll go over some for next loops probably next time. Maybe some list box items. So until then, I will see you guys later. And thanks for watching as always. Bye, guys.